Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight LLC with a new video and a new topic. Today we will discuss about how to change registered email address and reset password at Dubai Trade Portal. There are so many services you can avail in Dubai Trade Portal. First, if you forget your Dubai Trade password, you can reset by using Dubai Trade Portal. You need to visit Dubai Trade website www.dubaitrade.ae. Go to Service Center. You will find some options on the page. First option is Dubai Trade. Click on this option. You can see sub option in it. Click on Reset button. By clicking on Request button, you will see a form where you have to enter your username, email address which has to be registered in Dubai Trade, and write CAPTCHA code, then submit. You will be received a reset password link on your registered email address. Click on this link and you can set your new password. Except this, if you want to change your registered email address, so you have to follow same process. Just click on email change request, fill all required details on the form, then submit this form. After submitting, you will get a reference number by which you can check your request status by calling on Dubai Trade Customer Care Center. We at Express Fairway Freight LLC can provide you all services in a seamless manner and very professional environment. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel to get informative videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in a description box. Thank you.